Burgers, burgers, come get your burgers. Okay, looks like I'm gonna sell some today. What's that? A McDonald's truck? Never seen that before. Must be new.
Oh, this is a great day. Come get your McDonald's! Only for $5. Come get your Happy Meal McDonald's! McDonald's! Come get your McDonald's! It's the greatest McDonald's of all time! Come get your McDonald's! Only for $5. Come get your McDonald's! Fries, cheeseburgers, we have everything you need! Come get your Happy Meal McDonald's!
But my burgers are gonna for sure be yours. Burgers, burgers, come get your burgers.
I wonder what the burger truck has, and I wonder how it tastes. Yeah, but I know mine is better. It's a competition. McDonald's, come get your McDonald's. Come get it, only for $5. Whoa, they have a McDonald's truck. I never knew they had a McDonald's truck. I'm gonna go check it out. Whoa, they have a burger truck. I've never seen the burger truck before or a McDonald's truck. I'm gonna go check out both. Yes, there's a customer coming. I might make my first stall. Come get your Happy Meal. Chocolate meal, whatever you want. Hi. Hi. Wow, I've never seen a McDonald's truck before. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's a new McDonald's truck. It's like McDonald's on wheels. What do you guys have? Well, we have a Happy Meal with fries, cheeseburger, chicken wrap, or whatever you want. Or Yummy. You can get a chocolate meal with it, and you can get a toy. It looks so cool. I might not get the Happy Meal because there's another truck over there, and I might look at it. So I'll come back. Bye. Bye. That truck.
Burgers, burgers, come and get your burgers. I see somebody coming. Burgers, burgers, come and get your burgers.
Hi.
Hi, would you like our burgers?
Yeah, what does it have on it?
It's just a regular old cheeseburger. It has some cheese, some meat, and ketchup. Here you go. I'm gonna wrap your burger. Here you go. That's $3.99. Cheaper than the other trucks.
Wait, but I haven't decided yet. I don't know what to choose, the McDonald's truck or the burger truck. Guys, comment down below which one should I choose, the McDonald's truck or the burger truck. I don't know, guys. Help me out. Bye, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
And hit that. Come get this burger. It's way cheaper than the McDonald's truck, $3.99.
Well, she should get my Happy Meal because it's a lot better. And plus, it's from AZH2 Kids Fun.